Good morning, dear students. Let us start further. In previous video, we have discussed about linear equation in one variable, and we did 4 questions of exercise 2.2 because we were applying linear equations in one variable to the exercise. So let's do question number 5 of exercise 2.2. Question number 5. The two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Very easy. I told you earlier also how to remove ratio. Whenever we are having ratio, and to remove ratio, we'll multiply the numbers with the same number. For example, if you are given 5:8 for an instant. So how to remove? What you will do, you'll multiply this 5 with x and 8 also with x, because ratio means 5 by 8. If you'll divide 5x by 8x, x cancel, it's ultimately 5 by 8 only. So that's why we have to multiply them with the same number, with the same variable. So let the numbers be 5x and 3x, I believe. According to the question, they differ. It means they differ means their difference. That is 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. Just we have to solve this. This is your task to solve it. You can solve it yourself. Clear? Next, question number 6. 3 consecutive. What is the pronunciation? Consecutive. Consecutive means one after another. For example, 1, 2, 3 consecutive number, 2, 3, 4 consecutive number, 3, 4, 5 consecutive number, 4, 5, 6 consecutive number. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? So we have 3 integers, consecutive integers. If they add up, they'll give 51. So what integers will be taking? Normally, to ease your calculation, what you can do is you can have 3 integers as x plus 1 and x minus 1. I believe this is better. Why I am saying this? Because if you add up, plus 1 minus 1 cancel out and our calculation becomes easy. That is why I would suggest you, whenever you are having 3 consecutive integers, take in plus minus. For example, x plus 1, x minus 1. They are integers. So let the 3 integers be 3 consecutive integers be x minus 1, x plus 1. Now according to the question, they add up to x minus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 51. Clear? Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, x 3x is equal to 51. X is equal to 51. Here multiply the divide, transposition method, x is equal to 79. Sorry. Therefore, 3 consecutive integers are, how will you write, are x minus 1, that is 17 minus 1, 16, x is equal to 17, x plus 1, 17 plus 1, 18. If you'll add up 17 plus 18, you'll be getting 35. 35 plus 16, 51. Hence verified. This is the best way to represent this particular solution. Clear? Next, question number 7. Sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Same question, how the multiples are given. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. What do you mean by multiples? Multiples means numbers which are coming in the table of 8. For example, 8, 1, 8, 8, 2, 16, 8, 3, 24. So these are multiples of 8. The numbers which comes in the table of 8 are basically we're talking about. So again we can have 3 consecutive multiples. It is not necessary that we will be having multiples like that. We can assume that they are multiplied with 8. For example, again we can have let the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 be x minus 1, x plus 1. Again we can have this multiples. That's not a problem for us. Don't consider like a divisor we are conducting this, where x minus 1, x and x plus 1 are multiples of 8. We know it very well. That's why we are considering. Clear? According to the question, they add up to what? 888. That's why x minus 1, x plus 1 is equal to 888. Cancel out. 3x is equal to 888. X is equal to 888 by 3. Tell me what is the value of x. You have to tell me the value of x. I think x value you will be getting as 296, I believe. 296, correct. X value is 296 and 296 is the multiple of 8. You can clearly check. 8, 324, 24, that 56, 7. Clear? It's a multiple. Therefore, the three multiples of 8 are x minus 1 means 296. Now, I have a question for you. If you'll see, if I take plus 1 or minus 1, what do you think? It is okay. Means minus 1 after minus 1, what do you think? It's okay. What do you think? Is it okay? Whatever I have done, it's okay. It means x plus minus 1, x plus 1. Where x is a multiple. See, this is what I want to tell you. You might be thinking, so now it will not be. Yes, it will not be. X plus 1 and x minus 1 if I will be taking. Since multiple of 8 is given, therefore it should be x minus 8, x plus 8. Are we clear? This is very important. Because multiples of 8, if this is multiple of 8, definitely if it will minus 8, again it will be a multiple of 8. If it will plus 8, again it will be multiple of 8. So this is what. So so you have to be very careful when you are taking consecutive multiples, that if you are taking x, next should be x minus 8 and next should be plus, but that multiple. For example, 3 consecutive multiples of 6, you will be taking x minus 6, x plus 6. Clear? So here 8 has to be there. Here 8 has to be there. Are we clear? You will be getting 288. X is equal to 296. X plus 8, that is 296 plus 8, that is 304. These are the three multiples, and if you add up, you'll be getting 888. This is very, very important. So here it would be 8, here it would be 8, not minus 1. I was just trying to prove you something here. That's very, very important. So before you learn any concept, you have to understand the concept also. There, because there was no multiple, so I could take x minus 1, x plus 1. There's consecutive multiples, but here consecutive multiples of 8. If x is the multiple of 8, definitely x minus 8 and x plus 8 would be multiples of 8. X minus 1, because 1 minus, the moment you will do, the number will change, it will not be divided by 8. Clear with this? Any doubt anyone is having? Next, question number 8. Simple again. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order, multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find the numbers. Again, multiples. Again, let the 3 consecutive multiples be. Consecutive integers be x. Clear? X minus 1, x plus 1. Now according to our question, when they are increasing order means x minus 1, x and x plus 1, because this is smaller than small, then increasing. Clear? Next, they must be multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively. What do you mean by multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively? It means this number has to be multiplied by 2, this needs to be multiplied by 3, and this needs to be multiplied by 4. When we do that and we add, we get 74. So question is, according to a question, 2x minus 1 plus 3 into x plus 4, x plus 1. If we add them, we get 74. Solve distributive property. 2x minus 2 plus 3x, 4x plus 4 is equal to 74. Now 2x, we'll be getting 9x plus 2 is equal to 74. We can solve it. It's your homework. equations you can solve and put the values. On solving you'll be getting 8. On solving you'll be getting x is equal to 8 for sure. Put the values. The three consecutive integers are 8, 8 minus 1, 8 plus 1. Clear? This is what your question is. Next, question number 9. Next question is your question number 9. Related to ages now. Question would be related to ages now. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in ratio 5:7. Again, 5:7. Ages are given. Question number 9. Ages of Rahul and Harun. So the age, can I say, are in the ratio 5:7. Therefore, the age of Rahul is equal to 5x. I would say whether present age, the present age of Harun is equal to 7x. Removing the ratio. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Understand 4 years later. For example, right now, if you are 12 years old, 12-year-old, after 4 years, what will be your age? Definitely this 4 will be added and your age you will be becoming 16-year-old boy or a girl. Same thing will be happening. So you will be writing after 4 years, the age of Rahul be 5x plus 4, the age of Harun be 7x plus 4. Now according to the question, sum of their ages will be 56, means 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4 is equal to 56, 12x plus 8 is equal to 56. Solve and get the answer and put it here. Definitely getting 4, I think. We'll be getting x is equal to 4 here. Ages will be 5 into 4, 20. 7 into 4, 28. Present age sum is 48. After 4 years, both will be having 8 added. Definitely. Hence it will be coming 56 years. Clear? Question number 10. Question number 10. Let's see question number 10. The number of girls and boys in the class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. What is the total strength? Let the number of boys be, 7x. Again, same question. The number of girls be 5x. Now according to the question, the sum of number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. It means whatever the number of girls are there, boys are 8 more than it. So can I say, according to the question, simply either there are two methods. I can say the difference between number of boys and number of girls is 8, or I can say that another way, or I can say that number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. This is one of the equation. You can use either way. Either the difference between the number of boys and number of girls is 8, or number of boys is 8 more than number of girls. Do it anyway, you'll be getting the answer. 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 8 by 2, x is equal to 4. It means number of boys is 7 into 4, 28, and number of girls is 5 into 4, 20. So what is the total strength? Total strength means number of boys and number of girls, that 48, right? You have to write properly. Therefore, total strength is equal to 40 plus 48, means number of girls plus number of boys. That's 20 plus 28, that is 48. Strength is 48. Are we clear? Question number 11. We have a character called Baichung. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of their ages of 3 will be 135 years. What is the age of each of them? Again, I am repeating. We have a character called Baichung. We have 3 generations here. Baichung's grandfather, Baichung's father and Baichung. So, Baichung's father relation is given that Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. So, sum of their ages will be 135. So, I would take rather Baichung, let the age of Baichung's father be, let the age, I'll say present, we'll consider present age of Baichung's father be X. Why? Because we have 3 generations, grandfather, father and Baichung. It is given that Baichung's father is 29 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. It means definitely if Baichung's father is X, his grandfather would be, age would be X plus 26. X plus 26, and he is 29 years older than Baichung. It means Baichung is what? Baichung age will be this definitely, because Baichung will be then 29 years younger than his father and his grandfather will be 20 years older than his father, but Baichung will be 29 years younger than his father. If we are taking father as the deciding factor here. So if father's age is X, definitely grandfather would be older than Baichung's father, and if he's given that his grandfather or Baichung father is 26 years younger than the grandfather, it means grandfather definitely 26 years older. Similarly, at the same time, it is given Baichung father is 29 years older than Baichung. Definitely, so Baichung will be 29 years younger. The sum of their ages will be, according to the question, sum of their ages will be, the sum of their ages would be, we can say that the present age of Baichung grandfather is equal to X plus 26. Present age of Baichung is equal to X minus 29. According to the question, the sum of their ages, that means grandfather, father plus Baichung's age is 135. Solve and get the answer. Clear with this? Next question. Question number 12. Next question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What will be Ravi's present age? Let the present age of Ravi be, let the present age of Ravi be X years. Clear? After 15 years from now, it will be 4 times. So, after 15 years, the age of Ravi is X plus 15. Now, according to the question, it is given that after 15 years, the age of Ravi will be 4 times his present age. This is what is given. Solve and get the answer. Solve and add the answer. Next, question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it with by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? So rational number, let the rational number be. Let the rational number be Bx. Now, according to the question, multiply the rational number by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, and we'll be getting minus 7 by 12. This is what the question is. This is what the equation we got. Solve the equation, get the answer. Solve the equation and get the answer. I think you'll be getting answer as 1 minus 1 by 2, something like that. Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe check your answer, take the answer and do it. Question number 13. Question number 14. Question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. Who is the cashier? Basically in a bank, who's the cashier? Who gives you cash, who collects the cash, clerical department, whose duty is to collect the amount from you. Cashier, you would have seen, you would have, if you go to bank, you would have seen, if you went to bank earlier, you would have seen that who is the cashier there, person who collects the amount. Clear? A cashier in a bank, she has a currency denomination. Next word that is coming in your dictionary is denomination. What do you mean by denomination? Basically, denominations means here that if I talk about India, in India, for example, we have rupee 1 coins, rupee 2 coins, rupee 5 coins, rupees 10 notes, rupees 20 notes, rupees 50 notes, rupees 100 notes, rupees 500, rupees 500, rupees 2000 after that. So what denominations India is having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 denomination India is having. Means you can see the notes in this particular denominations. Means dominations if you want. Denominations, we can find the various notes, right? If you went to the bank for the ATM, once you want to take the amount from the ATM, normally what happens, the ATM will definitely ask you what denomination amount you want. You want notes in 500 or 100 or 500, 2000, definitely they ask for the denomination. Why? Because number of notes, less the denomination, more will be the number of notes. More will be the amount, less will be the, more will be the denomination, less will be the number of notes. This is what is the purpose of our saying. Because normally somebody wants less notes, somebody needs more notes. So that case, the denomination depends. Clear with this? So Lakshmi here is a bank in a she is a cashier in a bank. She has a currency notes of denomination rupees 100, 50 and 10. So the ratio of the number of these notes is 2 ratio. So she is having, if I talk about denominations, she is having denominations, 3 denominations she is having, rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 10, and the ratio of the number of these notes is 2 ratio 3 ratio 5. If you'll remove this ratio, definitely what will you do? If you remove this ratio, what you have to do? X, X, X. Are we clear? So let the notes of rupees 100 denomination be 2x. Let the number of notes of rupees 50 denomination be 3x. Let the denomination of rupees 10 notes be 5x. Now according to the question, after adding this, the total amount she is having, the total cash she is having is 4 lakhs. Now see what to do. She is having 2x notes of rupees 100. So can you tell me what is the amount she is having? How? For example, you are having 10 notes of 100 rupees. What is the amount you are having? What will you do? 100 rupees. How many notes? 10 notes. So what is the amount with you? 1000. Same way, here the amount will be, multiply it with the denomination, multiply it with the denomination, multiply it with the denomination, and total amount she is having is 4 lakh rupees. So therefore it is 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakh rupees. So you'll be getting 400x is equal to 4 lakh. If you'll solve 4 lakh rupees by 400, 0 cancel, you'll be getting 1000. It means how many notes of 100 rupees? That's 2 into 1000. It means 2000 notes. How many notes of 50 rupees? 3 into 1000. 3,000 notes. How many notes of rupees 5? 5 into 1000, that's 5,000 notes. What do you understand by this? Now just check. 2000 into 100, that's 2 lakh. 50 into 3000 notes, that's 1,50,000. 10 rupees note, 500, that's equal to 50,000. If you'll add up what you are getting, 4 lakh rupees. Hence verified. Our answer is correct. Clear with this? Any doubt with the question? So it's very important. First of all, take the denomination and then you have to consider what is the amount. Multiply, because amount would be notes and the value of note. Are we clear? Question number 15, same in number of points. I'll do this, rest of it try, you can try. 15th question, just see how to do. Basically, again, we are having here points of denomination. We have a points of denomination, rupee 1, rupee 2, rupee 5, rupees 5, right? Rupee 1, rupees 2, rupee 5. Again, we are given that, it is given that 2 rupees coins is 3 times 5 rupees coin. It means if 5 rupees coins are x, definitely 2 rupees coins are 3x. 2 times, 3 times, no? Clear? And total number of coins are 160. 160 are total number of coins. It means 3x plus 4x. If I talk about 3x and x, 4x coins are of 2 and 5. So what will be the 1 rupee coin? Definitely 160 minus 3x plus x. Any doubt? Because total number of coins are 160, out of which 2 and 5 rupees coins are what? If we'll subtract, we'll be getting, it means these are 1 rupee coin. According to the question, you can mention, let 2 rupees coin be this, let the number of 5 rupees coin be this, let the number of 1 rupee coin. According to a question, let's multiply them with the denomination. And amount I think they are having right now is in this question. Total amount with this 300 rupees. Solve and get the answer. Last question, question number 16. Question number 16. The organizer of an essay competition decides the winner in the competition gets the prize of rupees 100 and the participant who does not win gets the prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is 3,000. Find the number of winners, the total number of participants is 63. Understand, we have a competition. In this competition, In this competition, the person who participates, there are 2 types of participants, who win and who lose. Who wins will be getting a cash prize of rupees 100 and who loses but participate will get 25 rupees. And total participant is 63. Let the number of winners be x. We can say let the number of participants who participated and win is x. Therefore, the participant who participated but lose is 63 minus x. Now, according to a question, how many participants are there? X, and each will be getting 100 rupees. How many losers means how many lost the game? That's 63 minus x. And what amount they are getting? 25. And what is the total amount distributed? 3,000. Solve and get the answer. Any doubt anyone having with this? Okay, next exercise that we'll be starting with, that's exercise 2.3. Earlier we have discussed about in exercise 2.1 that algebraic expression equal to a constant, algebraic expression equal to a variable, algebraic expression is equal to another algebraic expression. This type of factors are there involved in equation. This one we have done. In exercise 2.3, we'll be doing these 2 concepts where algebraic expression will be equal to another variable or another algebraic expression. So exercise 2.3. Let's see exercise 2.3. Solve the following equation, check your result. Very easy. First question, 3x, 2x plus 18. 3x will bring here, minus 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 is the answer. Simple. Let's check. LHS, RHS. LHS is 3x. 2x plus 18 is RHS. You will not, while checking, you will not transpose them to one position. Substitute 54, 36 plus 18, 54, 54. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. This is what, or hence checked. This is what you have to do in this exercise. I'll do question number 6 for you because the rest of the questions are same. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 1 plus 7. So 8x plus 4, distribute the value first, 3x minus 3 plus 4. This is first thing. We have to solve the bracket first. Now 8x plus 4, 3x plus 1, 8x minus 3x, 1 minus 4. I think I did something wrong maybe. Here it's 7, sorry. This is what I was thinking. Plus 7 plus 4 plus 4. And that go that side minus 5, 0. X is equal to 0 by 5. Hence, and 0 is divided by any number, answer is 0. If you will check, you have to simply put the value. Clear? Question number 7. X is equal to 4 by 5. X plus 10. Simply, one method is just multiply this complete with other. You have to multiply this completely with this. One method is simply take this there and then. So we'll do this way only. X is equal to 40, simply answer. Another method is x multiply this 4 by 5x plus 4 by 5 into 10. See, cancelled. X is equal to 4 by 5 plus x plus 8. Take this x, 4 by 5x is equal to 8. Take the LCM. 5x minus 4x, 1, 40. Discard the LCM. Ultimately, we are getting the same equation. X is equal to 40. So I have given you both the methods. Whichever the method you want to apply or you want to go for, you can go. Better, this is better. Just take it, divide, then multiply, and then you can distribute. Clear? Similarly, can we do other questions? So this is your homework you have to complete till exercise 2.3. The next video will be starting with exercise 2.4. Till then, take care and have a wonderful day.